Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use voice changer in Roblox. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser as we are going to download a voice mod right here. Okay. Voice mod. So just go ahead over to voicemod.net. Okay. Again, voicemod.net, hit on enter. Now just go ahead and click on download right here at the very top or download at the center of your screen. Okay. So go ahead and download it. I'm not going to do it again. And by the way, if this is your first time, you may need to create your account or sign up. Okay. I'm not going to do it again because I already have it. Just install it. And then once that's done, open up voice mod. And once it's opened, you'll be greeted with a specific UI. Now just go ahead over to the left panel. Okay. Make sure that you go under voices. And maybe you would want to try this voice right here. Okay. You can listen. Hello, hello, hello. Mic test, mic test. Hello, 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 hello. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. So while it's highlighted, well, that means it's active. You can go ahead and add in a keyboard if you want to, if you don't want to alt tab all the time. Okay. So once that's done, just go ahead and open up your game. Could be Roblox or any game. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Mic Up right here. Mic Up. All right. This one right here. I'm going to click on play. And then once that's done, we're going to go ahead and go to the Roblox icon right here, the Roblox menu. Just click on it, go ahead over to settings and make sure that microphone voice mod is selected as your input device. And then once that's done, click on resume. And then go ahead and enable your microphone. Okay. Now, all you got to do next is just go ahead and talk. That's basically it. That is how you use a voice changer here in Roblox. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.